Jambalaya. That's where we're going now. This is not a dish that you're going to come home from work and do. You need time for this. That's why I'm doing it now. Pot. Vegetable oil. Hot. Chicken. Seasoned. Skin side down. You're going to have to do it in batches. You have to do it in batches. It doesn't all fit. You do it in batches. This is some of that seasoning from that BAM guy. About 6 to 8 minutes. Then we're going to flip it over and do it again. Take it out, let it rest, and then we're going to do the rest of them the same way. Alright, so we're taking our chicken out. Let that rest. Celery. Onion. Green bell pepper. Get it. About 2 minutes. Salt. Pepper. All right, about 2 minutes on the bell pepper, onions, and celery, garlic. About 2 minutes. All right, it's about 2 minutes now. The garlic's added to it. Andouille sausage. No, I didn't make that. I bought it. About 2 minutes. Who's the magic number here? White rice. All right, now it comes time for a spoon. Couple minutes. Diced tomatoes with their juice. Chicken stock. Tomato paste. What's that here sauce? Worcestershire, guys. Worcestershire. Bay leaves. I always try and remember how many I put into a dish because you don't want to eat one of those. You want to make sure you take them out when the dish is done. This is fresh thyme, and I left it like this for a reason. You can put it in like this and just pull the stems out, or you can go downward on the stem and take it off that way. It's up to you. Me, it's going in stems and all. I'll worry about pulling them out later. After cooking, the little leaves will come off the stems. Time to put the chicken back in the pool. Yeah, okay. 375 preheated oven for about an hour. That's where we're going. Okay, folks, it's been about 50 minutes. Let's see what our jambalaya looks like. Looks hot. It's pretty good. See what I was telling you about the time? Now you can just pick these right out of here. Pick those out. Bay leaves, I put in 3. We have 3. Rescue mission is accomplished. This is a meal in itself, a 1-pot meal. Time. Time? Yeah! See the chicken's falling off the bone here? I don't know about you guys, I'm getting hungry. A salad, jambalaya, if you want a little bread, knock yourself out. Finishing touches. Little scallion, little parsley. I don't know about you guys, I'm going to eat. Don't forget to subscribe. Questions will be answered if you have any. Comments, negative ones as well. All's welcome. All right, guys. If you're going to do this, enjoy. If you're not, enjoy anyway. See you later. Bye.